Welcome to our lecture online. Now let's try some examples on how to divide and multiply using scientific notation. And if we have a mix of numbers, some that are written out as decimals and some that are written out with scientific notation, we should convert the decimal form to scientific notation form. And this is how we do that. So first we want to rewrite this number right here. Notice if we take the decimal point, and we move it 1, 2, 3, 4 places to the right, it ends up behind the 8. So that means that this is equal to 8 times 10 to the minus 4, the 4 corresponding to the number of places we move the decimal point. And this number here is the same, 6 times 10 to the 4th. And then in the denominator, again, notice, in this case, we have to move the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times to the right. So that number is then written as 4 times 10 to the minus 5, where the 5 corresponds to the number of places the decimal point had to move. The next thing we do is we separate the factors in the front from the portions where you have 10 with some exponents. So we write those separate like this. We write 8 multiplied times 6 and divide by 4. And then we multiply that times 10 to the minus 4, which is multiplied times 10 to the positive 4, which is divided by 10 to the minus 5. And then we operate on those separately. On the left, this is simply multiplying 8 times 6 and dividing by 4. We know that 8 and 4 are both divisible by 4, so this becomes 2 and 1. So this becomes 12 multiplied times 10. And now here we simply have to add exponents when in the numerator and subtract when it's in the denominator. So minus 4 plus 4 and a minus 5. And so this becomes 12 times 10 to the 4's cancel out, minus times a minus is plus to the 5th. And now notice we have 12 here. We would like to write this as 1.2, which is basically dividing this by 10. So we have to multiply this by 10 to compensate. So this becomes times 10 to the 6th power. And this is our simplified solution for our first problem. On the next one, we're going to do the same thing, except here we need to move the decimal place to the right, to the left I should say, from here to here. And so that's going to look as follows. First, let's write 2.4 times 10 to the minus 6. That doesn't change. And here we're going to write this as 8 times 10. And the exponent is going to correspond to the number of places we move the decimal point, which is 3. So this becomes to the 3rd, like this. And then we divide the whole thing by 6 times 10 to the minus 3. Then again, we do the same thing as we did before. We separate the factors on the left from the portions that say 10 to some exponent. So this is 2.4 multiplied times 8 and divide by 6. Multiply times 10 to the minus 6 times 10 to the 3rd divided by 10 to the minus 3. On the left side, notice we make this simpler by multiplying both the top and the bottom by 10. So this is 24 multiplied times 8. And of course, since we multiplied the numerator by 10, we have to multiply the denominator by 10. Like that. So that way we get rid of the decimal point. And on the left, this is times, or maybe we'll write like this, times 10. We add exponents. If it's in the numerator, minus 6 plus 3, and subtract when the exponent is in the denominator, like that. So this can now be written as, let's see, 24 and 60. They're both divisible by 6, so 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4, and 60 divided by 6 is equal to 10. So now we have 4 times 8 divided by 10. 4 times 8 is 32, divided by 10 is 3.2. So 3.2 times 10. Notice we have minus 6 plus 3 minus a minus. Minus times the minus is plus, so plus 3 is plus 6. Minus 6, we get 10 to the 0. And of course, 10 to the 0 is equal to 1, which is equal to 3.2. And that's the most simplified form of our original problem. So that's how we deal with scientific notation. If the numbers are not written in scientific notation, we convert them to that format, like we did over here. And then we separate the factors from the portions where we have 10 to some exponent. We use the rules of exponent on the right side, and we simply work this out as we normally do. And that is how it's done.